Welcome to another video on Salesforce tips and tricks. This is how to create a dashboard in Salesforce. Check it out. So you have learned to create a Salesforce account. You have learned to create a Salesforce user. You have learned to create a Salesforce report. You have also learned to create and schedule a report run. Now what about the dashboards? To create a new dashboard, we need to click on the reports tab. When you go to the reports option, just to create the new report, there was another option called new dashboards. So when you go to the reports, click on new dashboard button. Then here you can see all the components of the dashboard which you can use whichever you like. You can use horizontal bars, you can use vertical bars, you can use any type. And then there's data sources, which will be your reports. You can choose any type of report. You can use any report here. So let's say I choose leads report. It will take time to load it up, and we can select the component. It will load the component and will show the records and the stats. There's the header. You can choose you can select and write any header which you like. I wrote leads report. There you go. There's the data. You can choose vertical bars, and I can also use pie chart, and there you can see all the details. Let me scroll down a little. This is all the records, and there's a setting button. You can go to the dashboard setting and you can change the formatting. You can sort rows by different values, legend position, and component data. You can choose values to record count and wages to company account. So this is how it works, and this is the component editor. You can use all the options on your dashboard, and you can modify your dashboard anytime you like. So it will load it up and you can see it. There you go. Okay, and then you can save the dashboard. Let's say leads report dashboard. In the my personal dashboard folder. Save. Thank you. So here you go. You can create a dashboard from this by watching this video, and you can subscribe to the channel to see more videos. Thank you.
Hello guys, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Thank you.